Look at them working. And don't forget about that concession stand. And also, if you're going to use the concession stand, can you please use our trash cans? We really appreciate it because we have to clean up the school when we leave. When you guys leave, we have to clean up. And man, well, I'll be cleaning up. Me and Miss Blair. All right. Yes. Let's give it up for Howard Adult Line Dance 50 plus, y'all.
I like this one. I learned this one.
Let's go!